Moving on right now, Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi coming out in support of Kargil martyr's daughter who allegedly received threats after she expressed her opinion on the Ramjas controversy. The Congress leader took to Twitter to express his support with Gurmeher Kaur. He said, and I quote, "Against the tyranny of fear, we stand with our students. For every voice raised in anger, intolerance and ignorance, there will be a Gurmeher Kaur." Reactions coming in.
आपको लगता है कि ये सब प्री प्लान्ड है?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इसके पीछे कुछ लोग हैं जो उस बच्ची के कोमल दिमाग के इन बातों का वो फायदा ले रहे हैं और मेरा तो डाउट है कि इसके पीछे कुछ राजनीतिक साजिश चल रही है।
Where is the question of not having freedom of expression? It is guaranteed under the Constitution, Article 19. But freedom of expression, there are certain suitable, reasonable restrictions also placed. You cannot hurt other sentiments. You cannot hurt others' religious feelings. You cannot question the national unity and integrity. You cannot advocate separatism. Dissent, having a different opinion apart from the majority opinion, is agreeable. Dissent is agreeable, but not disintegration. Nobody can advocate disintegration. What is Azadi? Azadi of Kashmir, what does it mean? Thousands of people have laid down their lives. What is happening to these people? As they are totally frustrated because the majority of the people of India are rejecting their philosophy, their ideology, both ideologically as well as politically. They are frustrated and trying to mislead the young minds by this sort of arguments.
All right, political war awards breaking out, but let's take a quick check of what's the atmosphere at Delhi University. Ilma joining us from art faculty, and we have Anindya joining us from the LSR College. Now, first going across to Ilma, where we saw Tiranga Yatra, Ilma, in the area from Ramjas to art faculty. What's the situation at the moment?
Well, it's pretty calm at the moment, Devina. There are still police personnel that have been deployed all across North Campus and especially arts faculty. There are police personnel still here, but the protests have stopped. There are some independent students who are hosting small protests inside arts faculty presently as we speak. The students are saying they're not affiliated to any political party. So clearly the buzz that was here in the morning and the tension that prevailed in DU this morning has certainly died down now. But we can expect a lot more tomorrow. Now, Devina, after Rahul Gandhi's tweet, the NSUI has also said that they will be holding a day-long hunger strike tomorrow outside this very particular area where I'm standing right now, starting 11 a.m., following which there will also be a Mashal March. So clearly you can see political parties across the spectrum.
But it's Delhi University, which is it's a Delhi University, Ilma. It's Delhi University, which is turning into a Dharna University. It seems we haven't seen this kind of outpouring of protests on the streets of Delhi University over issues as we've seen in Jawaharlal Nehru universities in the past, and that's perhaps the changing times and culture that we're living in and seeing. Going across to Anindya as well. Anindya, Gurmeher Kaur, who is an LSR student at the moment, getting a response from Rahul Gandhi. Has the protection been increased around the college? Has protection been given to Gurmeher Kaur, who's approached the DCW as well?
Well, first thing first, Devina, two constables have been constantly deployed for Gurmeher Kaur. Even we try to speak to Gurmeher Kaur here outside LSR College. Two cops just just shoved us and put in the car inside and immediately shoved away immediately to the residence of Gurmeher Kaur. So that is the current situation as far as the security scenario is concerned. No separate security for Gurmeher or anybody else inside LSR College apart from those two constables are concerned. But having said that, we have to understand one thing: the bigger picture of the entire day-long drama that I've seen, if I may call it that way. That there has been protests, there has been counter protests, there has been rhetorics, there have been counter rhetorics, and at the end of the day, it has been boiled down to the same national versus anti-national debate. And so, if sources are to be believed, that is what the BJP is quite willing to, and that's why you have not one but two very senior union minister coming out and just questioning not only the ISA but also in a certain way Gurmeher's posts and rather tweets rather, and that's why it gives a sense that somehow BJP wants to milk this controversy to a certain extent.
Well, the opinions are on both the sides. Well, the opinions are on both the sides. The students who are looking at Delhi University is considered as an intellectual hub, a place for freedom of speech and expression. Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu saying that no one is threatening that, but it's the Azadi slogans that will not be tolerated. Are we going the Dharna University way is the big question.